Okay, what I've got here is I'm drawing two boxes there on the screen. And if you look really close, you can just see some dots along the bottom going up in a box format. That's to kind of force maximum X and Y bounds on the scope so that it will position it always kind of in the right corner of the screen. So you might notice that on the bottom box in that lower right hand corner, well, one thing, it's kind of moving on its own. Whatever, we'll deal with that. But the bottom corner is not connected, and the bottom corner here, it's not connected. So that's interesting. So I've hooked this up to my picoscope as well. So the signal is attached over to my picoscope. I'll show you that. So here's the picoscope, and you can see it is displaying everything quite nicely as boxes. Like, let's not worry about the lines and jumping and stuff like that, because I don't do Z blanking with the picoscope. So what this is telling me is that the outputs from the DAC on the little Arduino circuit are correct. They're doing their job. They're outputting the right voltages. Everything is okay. So this problem here that we're seeing with those corners being off, that's something to do with the scope. Now, I would have kind of thought it might be the Y deflection plates in the scope. But if that's true, then why aren't the top lines being, is it just in that amount of time that it manages to draw the little box that it gets its Y deflection that screwed up? Maybe, I don't know. And one moves towards the bottom and the other moves towards the top, out of whack. So anyways, it's fascinating to see. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on this.